How to set an updated targets using Plan Excel. Let's see with a sample project for piping fabrication. Here we have material type and area of execution. Go to Plan Excel ribbon. The Show Distributions feature, we get a quantitative plan based on the calendar. We will convert this into Plan Actual Forecast template. Click Create. The current template will be modified to display the plan. Capture the actuals and show the forecast against each line items of the commodities. The template is created successfully. Let's update some actuals. I will put some random quantities for 4 weeks. Now to see the new forecast from 29th. Let's set the as on date to 29th of December. Now run the show distribution. This will update the new forecast for the remaining duration for all line items. The process can be continued every week. This forecast plan can be summarized to create charts and link with dashboards. Please share your comments and see you in the next video.